HVAC terminology, or heating and air conditioning, or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning terminology. The term today is sensible heat. And defining what sensible heat is in layman's terms simply means one could have a temperature change with minus no state change in the state. So a temperature change without a change in state. So case in point here, we have hypothetically a bucket of water here. So we have this bucket of water, we have it filled up, say halfway. We put a flame under it, or the eye of the stove, or on a fire, etc. We change the temperature degree. Say it's just a cold standing water and it's 0 degrees, and we move it to 100 degrees. Yet this is still water here. So the water has not changed from water to vapor. The water is still simply water here. So this would be somewhat kind of perhaps close to a sensible heat discussion here. So sensible heat is a temperature change with no change in state. So again, we can change the temperature here to X amount of degrees, and as long as we don't change the state, this is still water here. So again, we can heat this up and we can change the degrees, but until we stay within certain parameters or whatnot, then although it's still, we heat it up to a X amount of degrees, it's still water. It's not water and vapor. And so again, the HVAC terminology would be sensible heat, a temperature change with no change in state. So it's still solid liquid here. So again, just keep that in mind. We're changing the degrees here. Although we're changing the degrees here, we're technically not changing the state. So again, this is just say this is a bucket of water, and say we had a flame or the stove eye or whatnot under here, but this is just a hypothetical example, but say we change the degrees, yet we still have water here. So sensible heat. And sensible heat may be a temperature change with no change in state. So we changed the temperature of this area here. So this area here is still, the temperature has been changed, but there's no vapor here. So this is we still have, we started with water and we ended up with water, but we have a water which is maybe a little bit warmer than what it was, but it's still water. It's not water. It has not turned to vapor here. So again, this is sensible heat in HVAC terminology. Temperature change, no change in state. So again, this is a bucket of water, hypothetically, in the bottom, half full or 3/4, whatever. But we changed the temperature, but it still remains water in the bucket. So again, sensible heat. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.